Okay, so welcome to the live session of Fundamentals of Additive Manufacturing Technologies. This is the first live session, and here you can ask your queries, those you have, or you have any doubt related to any questions you are solving in assignment. I'll be very happy to answer. So I hope this course is going fine and you are learning something. It's important that you don't just do the printing after having a file and machine with you. It's important that you understand the fundamentals also of the same, because it's not always like running the machine is important. So that is why this course was built in this manner. And I also believe that some of you must be facing some difficulty in solving problems in assignment. Uh, might be finding it a bit difficult, but trust me, this is the way we go ahead, and the last time also. And once you will be able to solve the assignments properly, even though with the help of your colleagues, you will be having benefit later on in your final exam, because you will be able to solve the problems much more easily, because the end semester or the whenever the exam will be having a bit lesser difficulty than the assignment problems, because assignments are really to improve your skills, and you have very long time to solve assignment. You have all the resources with you, you have the internet available, you can google uh, the queries, you can even watch my lectures again. So that is why the level of assignment is bit on the higher side, but trust me, it will be just helpful for you. And once you learn that, then you will be able to solve like almost any problem related to additive manufacturing. So now I think already we have completed module 2, and now we are moving to module 3, that is going to be on laminated object manufacturing or sheet based additive manufacturing process. So from that point onwards, again, you will find some of very interesting and new additive manufacturing processes, those you might have not seen, because most of you, I believe, are familiar with wire based uh, the plastic wire based additive manufacturing system, that is popularly known as FDM, or fused filament fabrication, triple F. So now, but you will see in the sheet based additive manufacturing process that how sheet can be used as a raw material and can be utilized to create 3D objects. Those kind of 3D printers getting I'll say not no longer available in market so easily. So they are like, but still the very first additive manufacturing processes, or we should call that like classical additive manufacturing processes. But yes, over the period of time, their utilization is not much. But those are having some different fundamentals. They have different principle of working, and really can change the way you think how additive manufacturing works. So I think I'll wait for a few more minutes. If you have any query or doubt, you can post in the chat or you can ask directly. Hi, Umar. Can you hear me? Umair, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let me know if you have any doubts. How's the course going?
Sir, I didn't understand.
कोर्स कैसा जा रहा है?
Sir, it's my first lecture.
ये तुम्हारा पहला लेक्चर है.
Yes,
You are
sir.
not
Yes.
registered in the course yet?
No, sir.
Okay. You are not attending the course, right? On YouTube. You are not registered in the course?
No, sir. This is my first lecture.
Okay. First lecture. Okay. Okay. Anyway, so fine. If you have any doubt, ask. कुछ
Not
डाउट
yet,
हो तो
sir.
पूछो.
No, not yet, sir.
अच्छा. Okay. All the best.
Okay.
Sridhar, can you hear me?
Properly. So they're asking now, asking the guide to pay the amount.
Okay, fine. I think.
Hmm. Then fine will be doubled. ஆல்ரெடி பையன் இருக்குதான் சரியா 5-4 இருக்குதான் இங்கே 5-4 போட்டுக்கிறாங்க இரு உனக்கு தெரியாம இருக்கும் PhD 10 ஒரு டிக் மார்க் எப்படி போட்டேன் 5-4 எப்போ போட்ட டிக் மார்க் இப்போ போட்டு தெரியாம
இதெல்லாம் கோவிட் முடிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் நாங்க வந்து ஜாயின் பண்ணது நம்ம 5 பேர் தான் சார். ராஜா சார், நானு, ஆண்டோபெயில், மஞ்சுளா தேவி, சிவபிரியா.
10 சொல்லுங்க சார் 12th கிட்ட சார் செப்டம்பர் ஆமாம் எஸ் உங்களுக்கு அப்போ தான் சார் நடக்கும் அடுத்து 2 நாள் கழிச்சு ஆமாம் சரிங்க சார் ஓகே இந்த பையன் இருக்கிறான் ராஜா இருக்கிறான் எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு நிவேதிகா அப்துல் யாசிர் இல்லைங்கிற
ஆமா சார். ஒருவேளை நான் ஏதாச்சும் ஓவர் பண்ணிட்டேன்னா
இதுதான் சொன்னேன் சைக்கிள் ஆன்சோ
சார் அவருக்கு ஆல்ரெடி
போட்டாச்சா டிக் மார்க் சரி 1124 இல்லை வேறு உருதஞ்சு அந்த பையன் இல்லைங்க உருதஞ்சு
Okay, so as I can see, a few more candidate has joined. If you have any doubts or query, we can discuss. And Mr. Sridhar, can you hear me? Okay, Arpit, Milan, do you have any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, you are a student in that course?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Arpit. So from which college you are?
Sir, I'm from HBTI Kanpur.
SPTI Kanpur. Okay, so how's it going? On which module you are right now?
So like in my college, sir, like there is a 3D printing lab also. So that's why I have joined this particular NEPTAL course. So in parallel, I'm doing my thesis in 3D printing, and side by side, I'm taking help from these modules.
From this course. Okay, so you are solving assignments, right?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, do you have any doubts in the assignment?
Not yet, sir.
Okay, you are able to submit on time. Good.
Yes.
Milan?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Milan. Good afternoon. So you have any doubts?
Yes, sir. Actually,
Go ahead.
I have doubt on the assignment 2 problem or question number 3. Actually, it is already discussed in the live session.
Last year it was discussed?
No. This year live session.
This is the first live session, right? This is the first live session, huh?
No, other from Deepak Sharma.
Oh, the TS.
Yes, yeah, TS.
So what is the doubt?
In that assignment 2 question number 3 that you have taught us some other matrix wise to solve that you need to get the unit vector
Okay.
corresponding to new phase to normal.
Okay.
You have taught that to make it by the matrix format.
Mm-hmm.
Just hold on. One
So
second.
you have doubt in
One
that,
second.
how I did, right?
Yes, sir. Actually, by the procedure you have done in the for the triangular surface, like x2 minus x1,
Yes.
A cross B matrix is equal to x2 minus x1 and y2 minus y1. By that procedure, when I am doing that solving the question, then I get the option 3 answer, and which was wrong, as the correct answer. Also, the TA has done the just cross product there. He has done it by crossing cross product procedure, and he got the option B. He got the option
What
B.
procedure you are following?
As we have taught in the video lecture, the matrix format A cross B determinant
Yes.
of x2
So
minus
the same,
x1.
right? Yes, the
Yeah,
same procedure here
they are,
also.
they are those are same, but the answer is getting different.
I'll
So
tell you.
that's
I'll tell
little
you.
bit.
There may be two reasons for that. Are you getting exactly opposite answer?
Yeah, I am getting the option 3 answer. There is a negative
I'm
sign.
not sure. I'm not. I'll look into it. What was the options given? But look, there are two possibilities. For example, there is a triangle given to you, and the answer supposed to be upward. Normal is like up above along the z-axis. Correct?
Yes,
That
yes,
is one
yes.
answer. Assume that the another answer what you are getting is minus z. Is it happening like this?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking is.
Okay. So you know why? I'll tell you. You remember that there was a thing we mentioned that order matters, like how you are taking the order.
Yes, yes, yes.
Right? If this is the first point, this is the second point, this is the third point, then we will always go by using our right hand and anti-clockwise manner. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So make sure
Yes,
the vector which you are forming by subtracting the two coordinates. Correct? Each
yes.
vector you are forming by subtracting the two coordinates, right? If you are forming each vector differently, then it is going to be in opposite direction. Na?
Opposite direction. Yes, yes.
You got my point.
Okay.
You got it, right?
Yes,
For
yes,
example,
yes.
there is a point here, then this point, then this point. 3 points. So you are considering this vector and this vector, correct? Or
yes, sir.
You should not. Maybe somebody is doing opposite. This vector and this vector. So what will happen? The one who is considering this and this, then opposite answer will be achieved. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes, yes.
So you have to be careful while considering the two vectors.
Yeah,
it has to follow your
points.
counterclockwise direction. You start from one, start rotating your hand along with that, and the thumb direction will show the knob.
Okay.
You getting
yes,
it?
Sir. Also, yes, sir. Also, there is a doubt in the assignment 4 in the from the common data questions from 13 to 20. I think there is some more data will be there, some graphs or other things. It is missing.
Is it related to the SLA? The where
yes,
I asked to plot the working graph. The what do you call it?
Yes. No.
Correct, right?
Yes, sir. Maximum curing depth. The questions are there.
Yes. No. I'm sure there is no data missing over there. So if you want, I can go and quickly check also the problem. Anna, what data do you think is missing?
I think that the data related to the wait a second. Yes, sir. The curve, from CD versus Emax, that curve. I think that curve is missing. Yes, sir.
Curve is not given, right? Let me just see.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Just
graph
hold
is
on.
not given. Yes, sir.
Let me have a look, Anna, because it should not happen.
Yes.
Let me log in and check. Huh?
Yes, sir. No problem. Assignment 4, common data questions.
Yes. Just let me. It's actually a bit slow. Just a minute.
Okay, sir. No problem. Okay, no problem.
Just a minute. So this is assignment 4, right?
Yes, sir. Assignment 4, common
I
data
have
for.
assignment also. Let me just not go into that. So there is a working curve available from question number. Which question you are saying?
From
14
to 20. 13 to 20, yes, sir. Common data questions are there. I think there should be
Yes,
some.
yes. There is a working curve there. There is a working curve.
No, sir. It is not showing. It is here. It is not showing.
Oh, I'll check then. Is the deadline still there for submitting the assignment?
Yes, yes, sir. 24th.
I'll do it today. That is why I wanted to see on the portal. I don't know how it is missed. We'll check. There's a difficulty, I think. I wanted to see that on the portal.
So that CD versus log Emacs graph.
No, there is a. We have already provided. Somehow it got missed. There is a straight line we provided, right? So that you can extract the data from there. But if it is missed, we'll check. Don't worry.
It is not there.
Let me see how it looks like on the portal.
Yes.
Yeah, and you're right. It has to be there, right? Without that, you can't solve.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Anything else? So
No, nothing else, sir.
from which college you are?
I'm from currently PhD scholar of IIT Mizoram, regular PhD scholar.
Okay.
So this is my first time I'm doing coursework over here. So
okay.
My kite.
Okay, so I am looking at the module, which is coming to be like, I think, second module. And I'm seeing the quiz 4 also, which is live, the assignment 4. So
no, sir, module 3. Module 3, sir.
Yeah, module 3, week 4. I'm sorry.
Yes, yes, sir.
And yes, I don't know how it is missed. We'll ask them to do it immediately. Thanks, you mentioned that. It is not supposed to be missed. And still we have the due date. So we have 2 more days. Yes, we'll do it today.
Okay, sir, no problem.
Yeah, thank you.
Mention that, sir.
And you can always mail this type of queries in the email immediately instead of waiting for the live sessions.
Okay. And yeah, I just checked today also, and I have also in the discussion form. In the discussion form, I have asked the query related to the questions, but today I just checked this. Then I thought that it might be missing.
Yes, there is a common data problem. There are bullets given, but the figure is missing here.
Yes, sir. Okay,
I'm seeing it.
thank you, sir. Okay, thanks.
So, okay, thank you very much for joining. If you have any doubt, you can always post to my email and we'll reply. Thank you very much.